Running.
My happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy.
No, stay outside.
Okay. Calm down. Go get it.
It's a Jet2 holiday, and right now you can save £50.
Casting fun now. Now watch. Like why? Why does she act like that? She's not.
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Hi. Are you saying hi? Hi. Hello.
That's my spot. Oh shit. What the
Really? Hey.
I think I like this. Jackson, stop, no more. Okay, bye. Oh my gosh. Bye, Jackson.
So I just found out that the world doesn't revolve around me. I am quite shocked and very upset.
Look, Mom found a 4-leaf clover. Want to smell it? No, you can't eat it!
Good boy. Oh,
She's literally acting like I'd abuse her right now. Oh my god. She looks so hurt. I'm allowed to love him. I'm allowed to love him.
Come here. What is this? What are you doing? I haven't even made the bed yet, and you're on some...
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh my gosh, you okay?
What?
Come on, Bubba. Come on, come on. Come here. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Oh, Bubba, come on. Come on, Bubba. Oh, come on.
You gonna go play?
What's wrong with you people? I am a dog.
Давай, иди, можно. Саша, аккуратно.
Razzle, dazzle, razzle, dazzle, razzle, dazzle.
Oh. Oh, no.
Marcy, what am I going to put on?
Do you want breakfast?
Jesus.
Mila! 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 Quit! You have to do that?
Ma'am. Ma'am, that is not ladylike. Oliva. Oliva. Tu ves normal.
Tell jokes. I'll wear one on fashion pieces. I want to know. Hang on, I'm going to put it on hold. Are you wearing the same shirt as me?
Oh, morning, bro. Hi, guys.
You're both wearing the same.
¡Meterle recio, Firulai! ¡Quíteme todas las pulgas! Y se ganan un huesito, ya se la saben.
Nom 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 nom.
Are you gonna attack me?
Get it. Get it. Get it, King. Get it, King. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it.
Who ate the Hawaiian rolls? You run into walls when you run around with a bucket on your head, honey.
For that, bro. That is the coolest shit ever, bro.
Oh, shit.
Who did that? Who did that?
Pense. Ay, amor, qué emoción te estás tomando y nosotros.
What is going on? Back up. It's cold. Blue.
Good job.
We all got what I call a life trap.
Good job.
Gene needs certain.
Hungry boy. What are you doing, Fluff?
Did you eat her food? Did you eat? Did you enjoy it?
¿Tienes un pedacito de queso?
No, no tengo, bebé. ¿No has comido o qué?
No he comido en 2 minutos.
What are you doing?
Dici, tu sei troppo educato. Siediti.
Hi, how are you? Oh, okay. Okay.
No. You're not getting more dinner, and don't talk back to me. Don't. No.
I got some good stuff.
You're an idiot.
You're not
John to 642-642. Ask about the Bosley Guarantee. That's DONE to 642-642.
Już pani projektantka teraz ogrody będzie projektowała.
Oh my lord. I don't know if they're playing or fighting. I think Nico wants turkey dinner for Thanksgiving.
Alfie.
And go to the doctor.
Now yours fine. No.
Sit, yes. Pull, yes. Down. Yes!
Hey, hey boy, what's up?
Up.
Just...
Also, you're up. Oh my god.
Bro, I'm trying to do my schoolwork, bro. Get the fuck out of my way, bro.
I'm sorry.
What's wrong? And why do you feel that way?
What? What do you want? What do you want?
Oh, there's a bell and they got nobody coming. Everybody's sticking around. Oh, we got one coming down. That's it. Oh, good.
Sherlock, what did you do? What did you do?
Come here, I gotta deliver it back. Since you took it from me? No. No.
Okay, you want to go outside? Is that what it is? I don't know why you gotta yell.
That's my dog, Lainey Wilson. She gets her own ice.
So here's the vet bill from today. Not sure how you're going to pay that. You do live rent free here and I do pay for your food. So maybe get a job.
Does that feel good, Liza?
Get down.
Olivia, this way. Take him to mom. Take him to mom. No, pick him up. You're better than this. Pick him up. Here. All right, good. Olivia, come on. Take him to bed. Go 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 to bed with him. Take him to mom. Take him to mom. Go, Olivia, up to bed.
Oh, you're so
Good girl.
Thank you. Oh, you're the best.
No. Hey.
In black. Sorry. All right. I'm sorry. Go back to sleep.
Oh, honey.